Imagine waking up to find that the South Korean won has not only held its ground, but has even strengthened slightly against the US dollar. This is precisely what happened on Wednesday, as the currency lingered around the 1,384 won per dollar mark, maintaining the gains it had achieved in the previous trading session. But here's where it gets controversial. The driving force behind this stability? The latest employment figures from July, which have investors buzzing with a mix of optimism and caution. Let's dive in and explore the details. South Korea's unemployment rate has shown a slight but significant improvement, dipping to 2.5% in July. This marks the second consecutive month of decline, a trend that has economists and investors alike taking notice. To put this into perspective, the total employment figures have increased by approximately 171,000 jobs compared to the same period last year. This uptick in employment is a clear indicator of a strengthening economy, but it's not the only factor at play. Externally, the US dollar has been on a downward trajectory, partly due to the latest inflation data. The headline Consumer Price Index (CPI) for July held steady at 2.7%, just a hair below the forecasted figures. This has reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve will implement a 25 basis point rate cut in September, a move that could further influence global currency markets. And this is the part most people miss. While economic indicators are crucial, political uncertainty can often overshadow them. The arrest of former First Lady Kim Keon Hee on corruption charges has added a layer of complexity to the investment landscape. Some analysts are warning that this development could dampen investor sentiment towards South Korean assets, adding an element of risk that savvy investors will need to navigate carefully. So what do you think? Will the South Korean won continue its upward trajectory, or will political uncertainty and global economic factors pull it back down? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a lively discussion on this intriguing topic. And if you're not already, consider logging in or creating a forever free account to stay updated on all the latest financial news and insights.